Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by capturing a silent reference. Record 10 to 20 seconds with the mic in its normal position so you can hear the hiss. You should inspect cables, connectors, and phantom power now, replace or reseat anything noisy. Then, adjust input gain so your loudest speech peaks about 6 to 12 decibels below clipping. This reduces noise floor amplification. Once done, label the reference file and move to treatment. Do not change mic placement between tests. Load the silent reference into your editor and create a noise profile. You will use that to remove stationary hiss across the track. Next, add a high-pass filter set between 60 and 120 Hz to cut low-frequency rumble without harming voice. Then apply spectral or plug-in-based noise reduction with moderate settings. Aim for 6 to 12 decibels of reduction and enable smoothing or adaptive modes so artifacts are minimized. Finally, preview often and bypass to compare before committing. After noise reduction, use a gentle multi-band EQ to restore clarity and a de-esser for harsh sibilance. Automate subtle boosts to bring warmth back. Make sure to check for processing artifacts. If you hear metallic or underwater tones, dial back the reduction or switch to less aggressive settings and try targeted notch filters on problem frequencies. If hiss remains obvious, re-record with better acoustics, closer mic technique, or a different mic. And if something still goes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.